Hi friends, I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for some new prescription glasses that I got from Firmoo. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'm so excited to show you the glasses that I ordered. I ordered 2 prescription pairs as I mentioned before. I love Firmoo because they have affordable prices for glasses, and on top of that they have a huge selection of styles to pick from. I did another video the first time I actually did a collab with them, and they ended up sending me these glasses, and I've been using them pretty often and I absolutely love them. I got to pick the color, the style, and obviously they have my prescription, which is wonderful. So this time around I ended up ordering 2 new glasses, and they take about 2 to 3 weeks to arrive, but they get here pretty fast. So the first one, I don't know which ones these are. So I did order 2 like I said. And let's see. Oh, ooh. These are the sunglasses and they look so nice in person. I ended up getting these because I thought they looked really cool on the website. They had other colors, but I kind of like that black with gold style together. And let's see how they look on me. I think they look good. These are gonna be great for Cancun next week. I always wanted to have prescription sunglasses, but if you wear glasses, you know that prescription glasses can already get very expensive, and prescription sunglasses themselves, the cheapest I've seen start at like $200, and I was always very hesitant to order prescription sunglasses because I'm always afraid like to break them or lose them. And also just in general, insurance here in the States, when it comes to glasses, they don't cover like the full glasses. They only give you an allowed amount that you can use. So they always they run really expensive, so I always kind of just use that benefit to get my regular glasses or my contacts. But when I had the opportunity to order sunglasses from Firmoo, I definitely gave it a try, and these look amazing. I absolutely love these, and I cannot wait to wear them at the beach in Mexico. So the next glasses that I order, they're just regular eyeglasses. And these look really cute on the website. So let's see how they look in person. They did send over some coupons and some other information. So these I really liked on the website. Oh, these look really cute. Oh, I like them. They have this little charm here. I don't know if you can see it here. Let me open them. And I thought it was super cute. They have different colors. I feel like it depends on your birthstone and things like that. But I ended up ordering the black ones. These are, oh my gosh, I really like how they fit. I think they look really good. I felt they looked really good on the model on the website, and I just really like them because they're different. All of my other glasses, my eyeglasses tend to be round or more square. I mean, like the ones that I got from Firmoo before, they're a little bit more square. But I really like how white these are because my eyes are pretty, I would say, long to the sides, and sometimes glasses end up like cutting too short, so I don't like that. I like the wider glasses, and these are perfect, kind of similar to my old glasses that I got from Firmoo. Again, like these are super great, but these are super cute, and they have this cute little charm over here. These are the Shirley 003. That's the style. I thought it was super cute. They have other colors. I ended up going for the black with the gold. I just feel like they look really good, and you can dress them up or dress them down. I like how casual but how fun they are, and then this little charm just gives it that little extra like fun. I guess you could also take it off if you didn't want it, but I really like it. So I'm a huge fan of Firmoo. Right now they're obviously running a couple of sales. They always tend to have sales, and they're wonderful. I cannot recommend them enough. As somebody who has been wearing glasses for over 30 years, it is nice to find a company that's reliable and provides, good quality glasses for affordable prices. I am an affiliate with them, so if you do use my code If you order your first pair of glasses, you get them for 50% off. So feel free to check out the link below. I'm a huge fan. I'm just gonna wear these for the day today. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.